Are you looking for the best? Choosing the best logo projector can be challenging. Many options exist, each with unique features. This guide will help you find the right one for your needs. We will cover key aspects like brightness, resolution, and ease of use. Understanding these factors ensures your logo shines bright and clear. List number 1. 16.5-inch 3D holographic fan. Transform your store display with a 3D hologram fan, a 16.5-inch marvel of modern technology. Equipped with Wi-Fi and 224 highlight LEDs, it dazzles with vibrant 3D visuals. The fan's impressive 2,000 candelas per square meter brightness ensures your displays stand out. Enjoy over 2,000 free 3D videos to captivate any audience. Perfect for events, exhibitions, and attracting attention. Advantages: enhances visual appeal with 224 highlight LEDs and 2,000 candelas per square meter brightness. Connects easily via Wi-Fi for convenient control and updates. Perfect for store displays, events, and exhibitions. Includes 2,000 plus free 3D videos to impress customers. Creates eye-catching, engaging 3D holographic projections. List number 2. An 39.4-inch 3D hologram LED fan projector. Transform your advertising with a 3D hologram fan. This device projects stunning 3D visuals using 1184 HD lamp beads. Perfect for businesses, it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and remote control for easy use. Customize your display by uploading your unique 3D corporate logo. Captivate your audience with eye-catching holograms that stand out. Make a lasting impression with this innovative advertising tool. Advantages: captivating visual display catches attention instantly. Enhances advertising effectiveness. Supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and remote control. Offers flexible operation options. DIY uploadable feature allows custom 3D logo creation. Personalizes branding. High-definition lamp beads deliver clear, vibrant images. Ensures quality visuals. Compact design saves space. Fits various advertising environments. List number 3. Pro Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Enjoy movies outdoors or in your bedroom with the HY300 Pro Mini Projector. This smart projector supports 4K, delivering stunning images. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make connecting easy. Auto keystone adjusts the picture for the best view. Use the Air Mouse remote for effortless control. Voice commands add convenience. Enjoy 180-degree rotation for flexible setups. Perfect for movie nights. Advantages: enjoy seamless streaming with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. No cables needed. Experience stunning visuals with 4K support. Every detail is clear. Auto keystone correction ensures a perfect picture. No manual adjustments required. Control the projector easily using the Air Mouse remote. Simple and intuitive. Voice control offers hands-free operation. Just speak your command. List number 4. 300 Pro Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Experience the magic of the Magcubic HY300 Pro Mini Projector. Enjoy stunning 4K support and smart, portable design. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, connect easily and stream seamlessly. Auto keystone and 180-degree rotation provide perfect viewing angles. The Air Mouse remote and voice control offer user-friendly operation. Powered by Android 11, this home video projector ensures a smooth, modern entertainment experience. Advantages: experience stunning visuals with 4K support on your projector. Crystal clear images enhance movie nights and presentations. Enjoy seamless streaming with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Connect devices effortlessly for a smooth viewing experience. Simplify setup using auto keystone correction. Perfectly aligned images every time without manual adjustments. Control your projector with ease through voice commands. Hands-free operation makes navigation simple and convenient. Versatile use with 180-degree rotation feature. Adjust the projector angle to suit any room layout. List number 5, 4K 1080p support projector. Experience movie nights like never before with the Clocow Mini Projector. This compact device supports 4K and 1080p, ensuring crystal clear visuals. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, connecting your devices is a breeze. Its 270 degrees adjustable stand offers flexible viewing angles for any setting. Enjoy thousands of apps with the Android TV OS, perfect for streaming your favorites. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor entertainment. Advantages: perfect for outdoor movie nights with friends and family. High-quality 4K 1080p resolution offers crisp and clear visuals. Built-in Android TV OS provides access to 8,000+ apps. Easy connectivity with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options. Adjustable stand ensures optimal viewing angles.